In today's vlog, I cannot stop digging this man's nose. I wear socks which I can literally fit the whole world in. और ये साला मैं अपने कमर से हाथ क्यों नहीं हटाता?
I want to talk about my mental balance during this time. It's been pretty stable क्योंकि we've divided the work very conveniently. And I think I'm at that time in Navi Mumbai where the patient inflow has reduced a little and discharge has increased. मतलब जहाँ पहले हम लोग 10-10, 12-12 पेशेंट एडमिट कर रहे थे, अब वो अपॉर्चुनिटी भी नहीं है क्योंकि हम लोग का पॉजिटिव फ्लोर पैक्ड है, आईसीयूज पैक्ड हैं, तो हम लोग माइल्ड केसेस ही ले रहे हैं जिनको वार्ड में मैनेज कर सकते हैं. सो आई थिंक दैट्स वन ऑफ द रीजंस वाई आर पेशेंट इनफ्लो हैज़ रिड्यूस्ड अ लिटिल. तो वो हम लोग का पहुंचता नहीं है वार्ड डॉक्टर तक, वो स्क्रीनिंग डॉक्टर ही देखता है या फीवर ओपीडी में जो डॉक्टर बैठे हैं वही देखते हैं कि किन किन को एडमिट कर सकते हैं, किन किन को नहीं कर सकते. इट्स अ वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट केस दैट यू हैव टू let go of people and ask them to go back and find another place, which is very sad, but that's just the case that it is. It makes you sad, but you have to like focus on the work that is given to you, which is ward. तो हाँ, मैं वार्ड में हूँ और अभी पिछले 9 दिन के ड्यूटी के हिसाब से my mental stability has been really nice. I have been symptom free thanks to every precaution that we've been taken and the protocols जो in place हैं in the hospital. तो हाँ, मेंटली भी आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. दोस्त लोग जब साथ में काम करें तो हमेशा अच्छा ही रहता है. सो या, मेंटली ऑल्सो वेरी स्टेबल एंड लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दीज 3 days एंड देन 12-14 days ऑफ छुट्टी. जिस हिसाब से काम हो रहा है, अगर ये लोग वापस मेरे को ड्यूटी देंगे तो क्या मैं ज्वाइन करूँगा? हाँ, आई डोंट माइंड, इट्स ओके, नॉट रियली अ बिग डील. इट वाज अ लॉट ऑफ फन. ये 12 अभी तक 9 दिन तो बहुत अच्छे थे. चेंज्ड, रेडी, डे 9. मेरी शादी के लिए टोन देने की लड़की नहीं मिलेगी.
नहीं, ठीक है, टोन में मान लिया. इधर आया फोन. हाँ, ऐसे करेंगे तो क्या होता है?
Yeah. 21 people are there, and no one was stable from there.
Any new admissions? Okay.
Yeah, 2 of them.
2 new admissions?
Yes.
All your wards. My ward is stable right now. There was one patient who was a little serious, who unfortunately passed away.
Resident, 2 interns. Ria, and that is Tejas.
English they are also. He sends them back home. And if it's a girl, Kedar sends it back home.
I send everybody back home.
If it's a girl, Kedar sends interns back home.
I send everybody back home. Not just girls. Send everybody back home. They have kept them waiting. I'm the nicest one, guys.
I've known Kedar since 2010. If it's a girl, he has a soft corner for it. Basic Babu nature.
It's called orthopedic.
It's called orthopedic resident nature. It was inspired by him, Kabir Singh. Part 2 में वो टकला होने वाला है ऐसा. अभी बाल देना. Part 2 में Kabir Singh is टकला and has chashma also.
Anybody's normal routine is now changed. Every Sunday, my parents used to come to me.
Yeah.
Now they don't. Since the lockdown has been issued nearly 2 months, they stay 2 hours away, but even I haven't gone and they also haven't come.
You haven't met your parents in 3 months now.
We thought, yeah. It's not possible anything. That is one small thing. That is okay. It's part and parcel. But tomorrow, if I want to go and buy something, I still have to wait in line. Everything, there is a line.
It's not the same anymore.
Yeah, it's not the same goes for medicine.
the rounds, and then anything that has to be traced, orders placed, and new orders to be placed, or any of those sort of things will then be done by interns who sit in the doctor's room where the computers are kept. So they can do it there, and there is less exposure for the interns. So the residents and the tutors go on for rounds, find out if any new orders have to be placed, या फिर पुराने orders के result क्या आए हैं, उनको क्या पता करना है, and then we're done for the day. Then we give the उसके बाद on emergency basis अगर किसी को कुछ हुआ तो the nurse comes and calls us, and then we come and report. Otherwise, this is it. You come here, take care of the wards, you see every patient, you see if they're doing bad or they're doing good, and you put those rounds for their follow-up. You see, the one person who's maximum at risk is the nurse, because she's here 24/7. We just come into the wards when and as and when is required. So sister is most at risk at most times. That here is the doffing area. We don't doff back in the doctor's room. This is where you doff off. So what is your feedback from first day to now?
It's like it's something very strange to feel, first of all, because what has happened is that being a resident in orthopedics and being to a part of, even I would say, a medicine professor or even a medicine resident, it's something very new for all of us. We were never exposed to wear PPEs. We were never
Everyone was learning on the go.
Yes, and in fact, every day everybody is learning on how to go on with things and how to actually progress in things. It's like that. So basically, the fact which I have felt here from the first day till up till now, whichever things I've done for COVID, is not only just what we feel. It's actually even the emotions what the patients are feeling these days. To be very frank, the world have actually done it like a social outcast. वो जो हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना छुआछूत.
So yeah, right now COVID patients feel like a
Yes. And that is what we as a doctor need to break it. See, it's like no one was knowing this was going to turn up. But what I feel out of all this is, even if you're taking precautions, even if you do things which are making you much safer and compromising with the fact that you're not going and touching the patient every day. But one thing is required, which I feel which every doctor should do here, even if you're an intern, even if you are a sister here, and that is talk to the patient. Because what is happening is they are away from their families for more than a month or even more. And if they die, the reality is even the body is not going to the family. To my extent, I feel the cure of the patient is not anymore by touching. The cure is your words. Even if you tell the patient, even if the placebo effect, even if you give them that sahanubhuti and that comfort that don't worry, just put the mask, you'll be fine. That's enough for them.
So to summarize, we did our rounds. We have one patient who turned positive from suspect, so was transferred to the positive ward, which we obviously showed you, and 2 new patients in suspect. Apart from that, all patients are stable. None of the patients require anything, which is a very happy sign. So tracing and order placement हम लोग ने लिख के दे दिया है, इंटर्न्स ने वो कर दिया है, हम लोग ने अगले डॉक्टर को हैंड ओवर भी दे दिया है. So we're done quite early for that matter, but it's Sunday, so it's nice. So day 9 end.